Hi, today we are gonna see usage of may be. First one is possibility. The package may be delivered by tomorrow. Expressing the possibility that the delivery will happen by tomorrow, but it's not guaranteed. Next. Uncertainty. He may be attending the conference, but I'm not sure. Indicating uncertainty about his attendance at the conference. Next. Permission. You may be granted access to the restricted area if you have the necessary credentials. Expressing that there is a possibility of gaining access, contingent on possessing the required credentials. Next. Indecision. I may be able to join you for dinner, depending on my schedule. Conveying indecision or a tentative plan to join for dinner, contingent on schedule considerations. Next. Hedging. The project deadline may be extended, but we need to confirm with the client. Indicating the possibility of extending the project deadline, but it's not confirmed yet, and further confirmation is needed. We can see some example. The concert may be postponed due to the weather conditions. She may be studying for her exams, as I saw her with textbooks in the library. The price of the stock may be influenced by market fluctuations. He may be traveling to Europe next month for a business conference. Your suggestion may be considered in the next team meeting. It may be challenging to implement the new software without proper training. The results of the experiment may be affected by external variables. This decision may be crucial for the success of the project. The package may be delivered by the end of the week, according to the tracking information. They may be interested in collaborating on the research project, but we need to discuss it further. Okay. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.